Namaste to everyone. My name is Srinivas Balaraju. I am a certified career counselor and a mentor and coach. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to speak about a situation. Now let me consider a student who is not happy with the college he has got now. He will say, "I hate this college" to his friends and his family members. Now it may happen for various reasons. Now let me consider him to be an engineering student. Now before joining this college, he must have prepared for JEE. Now you all know that getting into IIT, the success rate is 0.1%. If there are 17,000 seats, there are 20 lakh students appearing for it. So that means what? More than 99% of the students are not getting what they want. But most of them don't even get the top colleges. They end up getting a college which is near to their house, in their city, in their district. Now most of the colleges in a small town are not that good. And sometimes even in big cities there are some ordinary college and this student has got such a college. The college rank is very less. So that means what? This college is not having good facilities. The campus is not good, the placements are not good. The facility of canteen or facility of sports, facility of library, facility of whole lot of things will not be that good. So what happens here is this fellow is upset. Now in this situation, he is frustrated. I have seen many students being stressful for the entire year. I have worked for many colleges as a lecturer and professor. So with this experience, I am making this video. Now remember, dear student, that you have got this college because of your efforts. Now you are not happy with your parents also that they did not give you money to get into better college through management seat. Now as I said, this is what you deserve. And remember one thing, everything happens for good. Now what has happened has happened. Now what will happen next after 3 or 4 years is still in your hand. Now what can you do? Now how can you make this stone into a milestone? How can you convert this stone into a diamond? I'll give you some hints. Firstly, whenever you are in a low grade college, 99% of the time the attendance there will not be compulsory. There will be no good staff, there will be no skilled staff also. So what you can do is, whoever are there in that college, be good to them. Be it peon, be it HOD, be it staff, be it non-teaching staff, your drivers, everyone, be good to them. Understand the college, how it is running, okay? Attend some few classes, understand if they are not teaching well. What you can do is you download your syllabus of your respective university. You can use your smartphone. If there is Wi-Fi in that college, you can use the Wi-Fi, or you can use your internet anyways. You are getting 1.5 GBs these days. You learn the same subject from YouTube. Now you feel that the teaching is not happening well. So what you can do, go to library, sit down there, use your smartphone and learn the same subjects from YouTube. And on YouTube, you know, the world's best lecturers are there. Okay, it could be international, it could be, from any IIT. You can learn the same lectures being in that college itself. It's all your attitude about learning. So your learning is anyways happening. So don't worry about the teachers there. Theory you are understanding. You can attend the labs. If there are labs there, please attend the labs. Use the same knowledge what you have learned from YouTube. Do the applications there. Be good with your staff. Give them all the assignments. Do well in your internal exams. Be regular to the college. Don't attend the class, but go to library, sit in a place, upgrade yourself, make your own notes from YouTube. Okay, this will surely make you better than even IITians if you are upgrading yourself from the right source. Meanwhile, you can also upgrade yourself in many skills. You can learn English, you can learn communication skill, you can learn music, you can develop your personality, you can learn acting, you can learn web designing, you can learn painting, you can learn Photoshop, you can learn digital marketing, you can learn share markets, how it works, you can join some sports club, you can join some gym, be fit. All these you will get when you have time, and being in a wrong college, you are obviously having lots of time. Meanwhile, you can also participate in some inter-college events. As you are a part of some university, obviously you will be allowed to participate in other colleges. You can take part there. Make sure that you take part from first year. You can take part in painting, you can take part in acting, presentation competition, elocution competition. There are many competitions happening in every fest of every college. So when you go out there and perform well, first year you may not perform because you don't even know what is the benchmark. When you go out and take part outside, you understand what is the competition. You will prepare yourself, you will upgrade yourself, you will meet outsiders, you will have a good rapport with them. In 1 or 2 years, you will have friends of other colleges also. So you are upgrading yourself well. And in the next coming years, you are also winning some prizes in the inter-college level. End of the engineering, end of any graduation, your competitors are not from your college, your competitors are from the whole city, whole country. So take part in district level, national level events which is happening. Participating is more important than winning because you're getting the exposure there. Okay, so make sure that you take part in all the activities. Meanwhile, you can also do some part-time job. From your second sem or second year onwards, you can become a good maths teacher. You can join some coaching institutes which is booming in that city. You can be a maths teacher, you can be a physics teacher, science teacher for 12th standard or 8th, 9th, 10th standard. When you're doing this, you're upgrading your aptitude. You're also preparing some syllabus which will help you for interview, which will help you for your competitive exams like SSC, IAS, for CAT also. So many exams you are preparing indirectly when you do teaching, because all the syllabus will be from high school only. So make sure that you run your own coaching if you want in the evening, okay, or you join some classes to be a teacher. Okay, if your English is good, you join as an English trainer. If you're a fitness freak, you join as a fitness trainer. You can join some gym, do some personal sessions to them. These days there are people who are getting 10,000 rupees or 15,000 rupees per month for doing personal training. There are people who have money and they want good body. You can help them. Yeah, you can be a swimming trainer, you can be a logo maker, banner designer if you know Photoshop. You can design websites if you know web page designing. You can make apps. If you don't know, learn it from first year, right? You can make apps for people. You can do digital marketing for many people. You can be a part of some organizing team. You can be a part of some band. Engage yourself outside the college in the second half of the day. And I'll tell you, dear student, that your life will be far better than the person who is in IIT. Remember, in these years, you should be a creator than being a consumer. What is creator? You make your videos, you learn a lot, you do, than just sitting and watching Netflix, Amazon, or any videos which you have downloaded through Telegram. Don't be a consumer, be a creator. And when you utilize these 4 years in right way, you can never be unemployed. You have developed your personality to an extreme that anyone will want to hire you. When you write all these things in your resume, even the top company person wants someone who is utilizing his time in a right way. But remember, it is a blessing that you are in a wrong college because you are getting a lot of time. Utilize it in a right way and upgrade yourself. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked, please like it. Please comment your views on this video which I have made. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. We hope this video added some value in your life. Please like and comment your views. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of our weekly videos. Our videos will be added under 2 different brand names. Brand number 1, Smart Sutra. Here we add competitive exams related videos. Brand number 2, Srinivas Balaraju. Here we add career counseling and career guidance related videos. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. You can also check out our online courses for competitive exams, soft skill training programs on our website smartsutra.in, where you can also book your career counseling appointment too. Thank you for watching.